Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how you guys are doing? I believe you guys are doing awesome. Alright, so this is the second part of the video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the login form. Alright, so I have just added the form, no style and nothing, you can see. Okay, alright, so I'm going to add the button, and I'm going to I'll try my best to make it as short as possible. Alright, and thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, this will be password PSWRD password, right? And placeholder will be password. But submit name is login button. I'll just try to make it as simple as possible. Placeholder will be value login. Will PSWD password. Alright, so this is the basic structure. Upper class. Should be vice versa. Got it. Okay, now I'm gonna switch over to style.css, the cascade style sheet window. Okay. So this is going to be simple, just I just need to, because I have already done that, and there's a few changes I made. It is the main form which will be holding the all the forms, like login form and registration form. So this is the main form div. It contains the registration and login form. Okay, login form div. So this is the login form style with 400 pixels, height 600 pixels, and margin auto. Okay, which will keep it in the center. Then I just need to log in. Yeah. Okay. So registration. Okay, registration. And let's copy and just paste it here. Right. It will be login form. Okay. So I'll just make the changes. Okay. So this is how it looks now. Okay. So I just shorten the height to 200 pixels and remove the margin top, and I just added this border just to separate both the forms. Okay, now I'll proceed further and just simply copy and paste in order to make it simple. Now it is aligned in center. input will be change this, change that. So this is done now. Okay, so we just added the login form. Okay, so the basic structure is completed, right? This is registration, this is login. Okay, so I'll just end this video over here. I just made it very short. You can see like it's 7 minutes video, and in the next video I'll make it dynamic, like I'll include database and at the PHP code and all. Okay, basically I'll make the registration and login form work. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and stay blessed and stay happy. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.